Gotta fix my guitar. Gotta go to the Verizon store. Gotta go to my doctor for an annual checkup. Gotta get my Prozac refilled. Therapy. Gotta hang out with some mates. Gotta go to another doctor's appointment. Hey, maybe go to my dentist if I have the time. Gotta go pick up some from my before I go back to. Hey, I'll text him now. Hey, Mark, get back to me soon. Gotta pack before I go back. Gotta pick up my bass from my friend's place. And last but not least, finish my EP. 'Cause you know what? I can't wait to be done with this audio equivalent to a shitpost. It's gonna be really bad, but I'm gonna love it.